Siddhi, it seems there is some noise from your side.
What kind of noise is it?
It's like, some engine running or something churning out.
Okay, let me
Like,
have a look.
yeah.
नहीं यार मैं नहीं कर रही
Siddhi, that noise is gone. Don't worry about it. I think it was coming from one of the participants, so I got them muted.
Is it all right?
But still, I'm getting that a little bit.
Still coming?
I can't hear anything. It's just fine, I guess. Now it's fine.
Okay. Thank you so
Hmm.
much. Oh, then I guess it could be simply the fan because people are sending their comments.
Yeah, this is coming in headphones only, so not on regular computers. So this is a very low noise which is there.
Okay, I'm sure my voice will exceed that.
Definitely.
Good evening, Siddhi ji.
Hi, good evening. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
I'm good. I'm good. Thank you for joining in again.
And thank you for welcoming us
You're
and
always welcome.
and experiencing the angel energy time and again.
Yes, so today also we are going to go ahead and have one experience meditation as a giveaway. So
Okay.
please, make the most of it.
Yeah. Actually, I'm
Hello,
stuck with an
Siddhi.
issue.
Please tell me.
The issue is that the sale of a property.
You're on mute. You are on mute. Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello. Actually, we had a verbal agreement for sale just before the lockdown, and then the lockdown happened, so the deal got kind of delayed.
Mm-hmm.
The person is he's saying he's interested, but he's not showing that urgency to go in and finish the deal.
Okay. So let's go ahead and do this when our connective session happens. That's
Yeah.
a giveaway. Please, whoever the angels I'm invoking, ask them to look into this matter for you, okay,
Uh,
and see how the energies are working.
okay, but who's my angel? How do I know how?
I'm going to
I,
be invoking presence of Archangel Metatron for sure. I have a wonderful connection. I will also be invoking presence of Archangel Michael and others. So don't worry about who's your angel. They will definitely work for you. They'll not get biased about it.
okay.
Yeah.
Because I don't know much about angels or anything, but I just got attracted or kind of drawn to angels because of you.
Oh, thank you.
And
My
because I'm
journey
also
also was sorts. that I also come from a Jain background, and I was like, why
Yeah.
would angels want to connect with me? You know, I don't even belong to the religion. But yes, it is
True.
not about religion. So,
The lockdown time,
yes,
otherwise I would have loved to come and meet you and interact with you.
sure, we can always go ahead and interact. Don't worry about it.
Yeah.
So we'll be sharing group details. In fact, if Rita, if you're here and if you can share the Telegram group details for everyone to join in, where they can come get in touch with me, where they can go ahead, ask their questions, it will be wonderful.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, Siddhi, I'll do that.
Okay, can we start, Siddhi?
Yes.
Good time? 5:09.
Yes.
Okay, great. So, welcome everyone, and we really welcome you from the OTB Out of the Box Idea team because you are attending this session, and I can understand that it is a Thursday, it's a regular working day, and 5 o'clock is a tough time for everybody to come and attend. But we really appreciate and we are truly thankful to you that you are coming and attending this. So today we are going to talk with our forever Siddhi about angels. And angels is a very it's a topic which we don't know much about. Okay, because angels is something which we consider comes from Western mythology. Okay, and we have angels also in Indian mythology. So we are going to talk about that. Okay, and Siddhi is going to do a fantastic meditation. So it's going to give away us a technique to invoke the angels and ask them to support us. But that will be at the end. So we request you to stay with us until the end of the session. And before the end, we will also have this question and answer round, wherein we are going to take up your questions and solve them, and then probably use those things in the meditation, so that you can actually get a solution for these things. Okay. The important thing is, I will request everybody that if you have any question and answers, please put them in the chat box. So that we can actually pick it up with Siddhi. Okay, and not I'll request that don't speak during the seminar, because it sometimes basically takes the focus away. But I'll request you to put your questions, and we'll pick up each and every question which is there. So we want you to benefit the maximum out of this seminar. Okay, thank you so much. And yes, so let me just introduce Siddhi. Everybody here, knows Siddhi quite well. I hope so. And those who are new, जो नए हैं यहाँ पे, उनके लिए what I want to say is कि Siddhi is somebody who is like simply magnificent. So she has been dealing with techniques, and her courses are really out of the box. That's why we were working with her. And she always is coming out with something which normally people do not work with or find it very difficult. राइट. सो इनकी टेक्निक्स जो है, इनकी जो चीज़ें हैं, ये जो टीच करते हैं, वो एकदम आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स है, एकदम मतलब ऐसी चीज़ें जो हर ट्रेनर को नहीं आता है या हर ट्रेनर नहीं कर पाता है. सो ये बहुत बड़ी बात है, एंड ये बहुत अच्छे से उसको निभाते भी है. एंड सिद्धि 16 इयर्स की एज से सबसे पहले ये हीलिंग एंड रेकी एनर्जीज, ये सब चीज़ों में इन्वॉल्व होना स्टार्ट हुए, और तब से लोग इनके पास में कंटिन्यूसली आते हैं. इनके बहुत सारे ऐसे एक्सपीरियंसेस हैं कि ये एक ऑटो रिक्शा में बैठे और वो ऑटो रिक्शा वाले का कुछ फ़ायदा हो गया जो हो नहीं रहा था, एंड बहुत टाइम से वो अटका हुआ था. सो दिस एक्चुअली सेज लॉट अबाउट हर कि इनके साथ में ही एसोसिएट होकर के रहने में बहुत सारे ऐसे काम बन जाते हैं जो बनते नहीं होते. मेरे भी पर्सनल बहुत अच्छे एक्सपीरियंसेस हैं इनके साथ में. सो ओवर टू दिस Siddhi. And Siddhi, let's start. What do you say? Miss
Yes,
Vishnu?
absolutely, absolutely.
Great. So
I
we
know
are just
many.
waiting, we are just waiting for those goosebumps to come up, when you are going to talk about these fantastic topic of angels. Okay. And आज का ये वन ऑफ द हॉटेस्ट टॉपिक भी है एंजल्स, जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं. अब लोगों को ज़्यादा पता नहीं है, मुझे भी उतना पता नहीं है इसके बारे में. सो आपसे आज बहुत सारी चीज़ें हम पूछना चाहेंगे. तो सिद्धि, सबसे पहली चीज़ है कि एंजल कौन होते हैं? ये एंजल, गार्डियन एंजल, ये होते कौन है?
Yes. So let me begin by bursting certain basic facts and myths out. So I often come across questions like, "Who are angels and why will they help me?" उनके पास क्यों इतना टाइम होगा कि they will go out of the way and help me with something? So let me tell you about few basic things that are happening in universe, and that's how it is. So angels are not gods, they are higher beings. They are the ones who have power to turn around a lot of things. The way we have grown up knowing about hierarchies of our devas, the same way angels also follow a kind of hierarchy, but each one of them are messengers of God. So then why angels helping us? Well, let me tell you one thing, that we all of us, everyone on this planet is born with at least two guardian angels. It is said that way. Their duty is to go ahead and protect you, their duty is to go ahead and guide you. The only thing is, most of the times we do not understand their presence. We sometimes neglect, we just overlook certain things. And this is also something that used to happen to me, until one day I really started getting messages like a flood. So sometimes there are numbers that you see, जैसे कि आप 222, 333, 1111 जैसे numbers continuously देखते रहते हो. It is one of the ways to receive angel messages. There are times when you just go ahead and start seeing same kind of words over and over. There are times when you start seeing feathers and butterflies out of nowhere. They started approaching you. Maybe they'll come and sit on your hand, on your head. Something is basically a validation or a confirmation that angels are present in your life. So जिस तरीके से सबके guardian angels होते हैं, there is a hierarchy up there which is all about archangels. Archangels are more powerful. So वो किसी एक person के बदले पूरे human kind की benefit भी देते हैं. So अगर एक person की वजह से if humanity is benefiting, they are going to go ahead and help you. एंड डार्क एंजल्स के ऊपर भी ढेरों कई एंजल्स होते हैं. सो जैसे इन इंडियन मिथोलॉजी वी हैव लर्नड विद थिंग्स लाइक देवास, देवदूत्स, एंड देन देयर आर एलिमेंटल देवास लाइक पवन देव, वरुण देव, समुद्र देव, अग्नि देव. Likewise, and the one who governs them is Indra. The one who governs Indra is Kartikeya. And on top of it is the Trinity that we know. Likewise, angels across different religions, across different beliefs, have a hierarchy like that. So today, whatever we do is not going to be biased with religion, is not going to be biased with will they help me if I am from a completely different religion? Yes, they do, and this has helped me. Although I'm going to be talking about all different archangels today and how they help us. Now the question is, मेरे लाइफ में या हम सबके लाइफ में अलग अलग प्रॉब्लम्स हो सकते हैं. किसी का रिलेशनशिप है, किसी के मनीज है, किसी का कोई और है. So are they going to be able to help me with that? Yes, they are the smarter energy. They can see things from future. They can guide you to future. Sometimes remember, ऐसा कभी एक इंसिडेंट अगर आपके साथ हुआ हो where you are guided to go ahead and work on certain thing, or you're guided to just go ahead and stop, and फिर आपको पता चला कि thank God I did that, my intuition was right. Now this is also the time when your angels or your guardian angels were nudging you towards it कि भाई ये करो या ये मत करो, and the decision that you took turned out to be pretty nice. Okay, and sometimes you also have incidents when you realize कि अरे यार my mind or my gut was not allowing me to go ahead and do it. Even then I did not hear my voice and I went ahead and did something like that. काश मैंने अपने मन की बात सुन ली होती. These are also the messages from your guardian angels or archangels. So what they are basically doing is they are protecting your well-being, they are protecting your highest good. At the same time, they leave the choice to you. Okay, so they will intervene in your life. वो आपकी life में तभी दखल अंदाजी करेंगे when you want them to go ahead and do it. So this is how angels work things out for you.
So that was amazing explanation. Siti, there is one question which I want to know. Like, you can you describe a little more कि ये angels हमसे connected कैसे होते हैं?
Okay,
और
so
कौन हो सकता है angel? Because मेरे को हमेशा ऐसा लगता था कि मेरे दादाजी मेरे guardian angel हैं. I used to
they
feel
could
him
be your
around.
spiritual guides. Okay, because there are different things to angels. So wherever we are living living on the third plane. So the fourth plane belongs to the spiritual guides, animal spirit, guardian angels. The fifth is for the higher beings, that is archangels. And there's something called as fallen angels also who are on the fifth plane. The sixth plane is governed by all the laws. That means law of attraction, law of truth, law of justice, law of decree. ये सारी चीजें sixth plane के ऊपर होती है. And the seventh is supposed to be the plane of creator, that is the white light. So हम जहाँ रह रहे हैं उसके ऊपर higher beings की भी hierarchies हैं, and they are living in different dimensions. We all have heard about different dimensions like Patal Lok, Nag Lok, ये लोग वो लोग. Likewise, there's a dimension of angels from where they operate, and they are somewhere between the creator and us. So they are able to freely travel, do their jobs well, and that's how we are able to see a lot of miracles also happening in our life. In fact, there are documented cases कि people जहाँ पे natural disasters में फंसे थे, like floods, like fire, and when they called out to the angels, there was some help coming their way instantly, helping them out of this. I have had so many instances in my life where either I have realized that I should have listened to my voice more, or I got saved because of the voice that I heard that came within me. So they also guide you. They protect you, they save you, they create miracles in your life, and they also guide you. Now, how do we connect with them? We connect with them through prayers, we connect with them through affirmations. There are so many connective tools, techniques to go ahead and work with them, but they are not very biased. They are not very judgmental. When you their energy is such which is very gentle, and the vibration is that of unconditional love. So when they want to connect with you, or when they are doing something for you, they are going to be unconditional about you. They are not going to be judging. The only thing they want you to do is be truthful about it. Ask something from the purest of your hearts. Yes. So yeah, so that's how it is with angels. They are very mild, genuine, and what they wish for us to do is ascend in the time that is. And in fact, ever since this last Lionsgate portal has opened up, the angelic realm has been working more actively. That means the angels, dragons, and unicorns are working more actively so as to give you more support, nurture your lives, help you in every way they can. And especially their help has also started coming into spiritual people, to healers, to spiritual places like temples, like churches, like every other place, because they know this is the time humanity needs them more than ever. Yes.
So Siddhi, this is like, how can we relate this to Indian mythology? That will be very good because जो लोग इतना जानते नहीं हैं और इंडियन माइथोलॉजी के बारे में ज़्यादा जानते हैं, so how can they relate to this whole situation?
ओके सो जैसे कि आप हवन करते हो, आप यज्ञ करते हो, सबसे पहले आप अर्घ या ऑफरिंग्स किसको चढ़ाते हो? यू विल गिव इट टू द मदर अर्थ, you will do it to element of water, you will do it to element of fire, element of air. So ये सारे देवों को हम ऑफरिंग देते 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 then we go up. That is ascension. So why do we go ahead and do it? Because it cleanses our hearts, it resolves our problems, it cleanses our homes, it empowers our energies, and it helps us manifest faster. Now, this is all about Indian angels. Let me call them Indian angels or Hindu angels. What they are basically doing is जब आप invoke करते हो through Havan or any other procedure, they are there with you. So it's not like only Archangel Michael will come and help me if I'm calling out to him. Every other angel will do it because it's a part of their job. It is a part of their duty. They are assigned to go ahead and balance certain things in the universe. Exactly is what a Samudra Dev is doing, exactly is what Agni Dev is doing, exactly is what maybe Yamraj is doing and Chitragupta is doing. And we just, so I'll tell you what, every angel represents one aspect of God. जैसे कोई represent, जैसे Archangel Michael represents power, Archangel Samuel represents love, unconditional love. Archangel Raphael represents healing. So these are different qualities or virtues of God that are represented through different angels, through different devtas. So जो सारे 5 elements भी हम लोग जानते हैं अलग अलग, जो सारी अलग अलग चीजें जानते हैं, वो सब क्या है? वो सारा aspect is all coming to us from the creator. वो creator से ही आ रहा है और वो creator की एक 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 चीजों को bifurcate करके हमारे सामने present किया गया है. Because that particular thing starts getting balanced in our life, on this planet, and not only that, it gets balanced in the universe. There are so many different dimensions in the universe. So there are certain angels taking care of our dimension, there are certain angels taking care of other dimensions. So it is about bringing in balance everywhere.
So Siddhi, इनको हिंदी में we also call as दूत. So जैसे यमदूत होते हैं या फिर हनुमान जी भी राम जी के दूत है. So we call him for protection. So ये मतलब this thing I was reading online. आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे इसके ऊपर? मतलब what would you suggest about this?
Oh, at the beginning I told you
that
that they are messengers of the God.
Right.
It's exactly what I told.
Yeah, exactly,
So we are
exactly.
back to the same
Ji.
that yes, they are dutas and they are assigned a certain duty. So, for an example, whoever is Yamdut is performing a duty for Yamraj. Okay, whoever is Dut to Indra is performing a certain duty to Indra to strike in that balance. And every time we know okay, it's time of turmoil, Indra and everyone come together to fight a battle against the negative aspect. And that's what is happening in every direction. So if you see, some or the other is serving to the highest energy in this universe. So in all the devas, we say Indra is the mightiest, he's the king, but he's also serving a higher purpose. When it comes to wind, we say, oh wow, Pavan Dev. And he's done so greatly when he was to deliver Hanumanji to earth. There are so many duties they've played, and because of which earth is very different today. And that's how it is. So every Duta, every angel is performing a certain kind of duty, is what I was saying. So guardian angels क्या करते हैं? They are guarding us. The duty is to protect us, guide us. Archangels' duty is to the entire humankind. Yes.
Superb. So that is very nice. So, the seventh plane which is there, as you say, God, right? And angels are there. So these angels, if they are already with us, then why do we need to invoke them? जब वो
Sorry.
हमारे साथ जब जब एंजल्स हमारे साथ में हमेशा रहते ही हैं साथ में, तो व्हाट इज द यूज ऑफ इन्वोकिंग देम? मतलब why do
Yes.
we have to invoke them?
So guardian angels, it is very easy for you to go ahead and build a connect because guardian angels आपके साथ हैं. But when it is a higher energy than guardian angels like archangels, you need to invoke them because वो हमेशा हमारे साथ नहीं है. They need to come in. जैसे घर पे दिया हम रोज लगाते हैं, but when we are doing havan, we will call upon Agni Dev, right? So that's how it is because they have higher power. And when it is about even higher archangels, sorry, not archangels, angels, that is dominions, there are seraphims who are at the level of, who are exactly on seventh realm serving the god. So their duty is far higher than the others. It is like a proper management system where that there's a CEO of a company who's running the show, and then there are higher management people, then there are mid management people, then there are executives, and then there are runners who go ahead and do everything else. So this is how the entire hierarchy runs. Everyone needs to play their role in order to go ahead and make it right.
Perfect. Okay, so that is very nice synology, analogy which you have given. That this is like a hierarchy. Okay, so can I ask that what are the areas of life in which these angels can be invoked? So is this only a certain area in life we can invoke, or we can invoke them in our common day-to-day problems, finance issues,
Anything and
relationships?
absolutely anything and everything. And in fact, not only in my life, there are students who I've taught have started seeing beautiful results, may it be any area. In fact, in a while, I'll bring one of them up to see in which all beautiful areas they've gone ahead and worked. So, as I was saying, that my connection with Archangel Metatron is beautiful, it's phenomenal. Usually, when people start working with angels, for them it is Archangel Michael because it is said that he hears you faster and he's able to come down, and he's the mighty protector, he's the mighty shielder of everything. So we invoke his presence first. But for me, somehow it was always Archangel Metatron. I've even astral traveled with him, and I've got certain symbols and attunements of Archangel Metatron. So every time I call upon him, I see results going into a completely different zone. So when I had gone ahead and decided that healing is what is calling out to me, and if it is really that the case, please make it happen. I lit a candle to Archangel Metatron. I have an idol at my home. Within 3 days, there was someone calling, a friend of mine calling me up, connecting me to an entirely big institution who helped me out, and this was about a year and a half back. Just one candle did a lot of miracles in my life. It opened up a completely new door. It was like a portal opening for me, and where people started pouring in, taking healings. People started pouring in, wishing to know more, learn more about angels. Because when it all started few years back with a few messages. I never reached out to angels. मुझे पता ही नहीं था angels क्या होते हैं and what is the concept of working with them. I started receiving their numbers at a certain point of time, and I didn't know what was happening to me. I thought maybe I've tuned my subconscious mind in certain way that every time those numbers are flashing on my phone, or every time the time is 222 or 333 or 1111, my eyes will reach the phone. So I gladly accepted that my subconscious was programmed that way, and I moved on doing my daily work until one fine week. What started happening is, if I've ordered something, the price is 555. The bill came like 555. It was just food items clubbed together, 555. If I took a ride in cab, it was 222. If I went somewhere, the bill or the note was given to me was 111. And I was like, now this is not my subconscious is making. This is something else. And that's when I realized that there's something more. And I started mulling over, like, what is happening. I need to go ahead and figure this out. Otherwise, I'll go mad, because it is happening for 50 times in a day. And as soon as I had this thought in my mind, there was this lady who had just come and met me, saw a crystal lying on my windowsill, and it was an angel, which I just happened to buy. I didn't know anything about them. And she's like, wow, you have an angel at home. I said, all right, tell me more about them. And then immediately the thing that she started talking about was numbers. How do you connect with them, and how do angels connect with you? When they find you worthy, when they find that you are the person who's going to go ahead and help others through them, they will approach you no matter what. So you can never shy away. You can never say no, because they are counting on you. Yes. So with so many other people also, this is happening, and I come across them time and again. So the very first thing I could tell my angels is, okay, angels, if you all are there, and if this is really true, please stop sending me 50 numbers in a day. I'm tired and I'm fed up. Show me a different sign. And instantly in a day, what started happening is, instead of numbers, I started seeing repeated words, repeated songs, repeated messages, repeated lines over and over. And I progressed from receiving only numbers to receiving so many other messages. Then I started learning about them, meditating with them, and I realized that it could give me a breakthrough in almost every area of my life. One of the areas was relationships, one was my workplace, one was my alternate career that I was willing to go ahead and start working on. That was healing, because that was a clear indication and messages being received to me that I have to go and walk this path so as to help so many others. So my messages were very clear, and I was like, okay, if I have to do it, you are the ones who will prepare me for it, because I know nothing about it. I'm just one another normal person, and I don't know whether I can do it. But every point of time when I would say that I don't know whether I can do it, I was motivated. I was sent people to go ahead and tell me certain things about me that will make me get more and more motivated. And the journey hasn't stopped even now. I still see numbers, I still see messages. Of course, on my request, the frequency has reduced, because I know that even if I'll see it once, I will acknowledge that there's a message for me. I will sit into meditation. I will connect with archangels or guardian angels and take my messages. And I didn't limit myself to that. I went ahead and started learning about oracle card reading, which I successfully teach now. I do readings for others. And what is more surprising is, every time a person comes to me for a reading and he's or she is asking the same question over and over, because angel invocation has happened, the same cards come out again, the same answers come out again. And this we started as an experiment, and with others who are really wanting to change their life and have only one question and are repeating their questions, their answers have also remained the same. So I've been, touch wood, lucky that I've been able to deliver that accurate results and answers to people when it is very important for them to go ahead and get these answers. So yeah, when you were asking me which areas, I'm saying sky's the limit. It is relationships, it's money. In a lot of areas, you will start realizing that even when you don't ask, certain things will start happening on its own. And in fact, If it's all right, let's hear it from Sejal also, who's here beaming with a smile.
Hi all, how are you?
How are you? Is the question.
आप जो बोल रहे हैं ना तो मुझे ये अर्षित जी ने जो पूछा ना कि कौन से एरिया में, आई वुड से कि मैं तो हर एक एरिया में एंजल्स की हेल्प लेती हूँ. इवन फॉर द स्मॉल पैटी थिंग डे टू डे रूटीन में आई टेक द हेल्प ऑफ एंजल्स. द बेस्ट पार्ट आई वुड लाइक टू शेयर विद दी, जैसे कि मैंने सिद्धि के पास एंजल ऑरिकल कार्ड रीडिंग और एंजल थेरेपी का कोर्स किया है. तो लाइक बिफोर 2 वीक्स हमारे यहाँ एंजल होस्टिंग था. दीदी वो आप बताना एंजल होस्टिंग क्या होता है, बट आई शेयर माय एक्सपीरियंस. तो शायद उसका सेकंड डे था और मैंने ऐसे ही माइंड में सोचा. फर्स्ट डे मैंने केक बना के एंजल्स को ऑफर किया था. दूसरे दिन जस्ट अ थॉट केम इन माय माइंड कि आज अच्छा होता मैंने अगर एंजल्स को केक लगाया होता. दैट डे वन ऑफ माय फ्रेंड केम और वो एंजल का केक बना के लिए उसने ऊपर लिखा था एंजल्स. तो लाइक इट वाज सो ग्रेट फीलिंग कि एंजल्स को हमको बताना भी नहीं पड़ता है. मुझे मेरे माइंड में थॉट आया और वो पूरा हो गया. और बेस्ट पार्ट की मतलब 5 डेज तक एंजल्स मेरे घर में थे. तो मैंने एवरी डे सिद्धि महसूस किया कि जैसे ही मैं वो रूम में जाती थी ना मॉर्निंग, आई कुड लिटरली फील द प्रेजेंस ऑफ एंजल्स. और जब 6th डे वो एंजल्स रात को फिर से चले जाते हैं, मतलब वैसे मेरे घर पे होते लेकिन जो एक वो फॉर्मेलिटी होती है एंजल्स होस्टिंग की, 6th डे मुझे ऐसा फील हो रहा था लिटरली कि मेरा घर खाली हो गया है. और जब 5th डे था तो मुझे रोना आ गया था कि लाइक आज वो चले जाएंगे. जैसे नवरात्रि में हम लोग 9 दिन माता जी का गरबा हमारे घर में होता है, लास्ट डे जाते हैं तो हम लोग को कितना फील होता है कि जैसे हमारे घर पे कोई मेहमान जा रहा है. इट वॉज अ लवली फीलिंग. और वो 5 दिन मेरे घर में अचानक से कभी भी मेरे घर में मौत नहीं आता है, तो मौत मेरे घर में था. तो इट वॉज अ वैलिडेशन कि एंजल्स आर देयर विथ मी. और सीधी और एक बात मैं बताना चाहती हूँ कि अभी ये जो टाइम चल रहा है पैंडेमिक, ये कोविड का, आप मानोगे नहीं, 2-3 मेरे बहुत बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स है, उनको डर था कि उनको मतलब कोविड का टेस्ट कराना था या आजू बाजू में किसी से यहाँ आया. मैं बोली तुम चिंता मत करो, आई ऑलवेज डू वीडियो कॉलिंग और उनके सामने मैं बोलती हूँ कि आप एंजल्स को प्रे करो जैसे वो साक्षात हमारे साथ है ऐसे. और टच वुड सभी की विश पूरी होती है. पहले मैं ऐसा मानती थी कि नहीं मुझे अपने एंजल्स का स्थापना, उसका जो ऑल्टर है किसी को नहीं दिखाना है, उसको नजर लग जाएगी. बट सिद्धि ने मुझे वो भी क्लियर कर दिया कि नजर किसी की नहीं लगती, वो हमारा सब माइंड ब्लॉक होता है. तो लाइक मेरे फ्रेंड्स को भी इतना विश्वास नहीं. जो 5 दिन जैसे हम लोग मंदिर में कैसे जाते हैं, मेरे बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स आए थे जिनको मैं थोड़ा दूसरा प्रोटेक्शन और हीलिंग देती हूँ. मैं रेकी हीलर भी हूँ. तो वो लोग सब दर्शन करने के लिए आते हैं. तो सब मुझे बोलते हैं अरे भाई तू ये ऐसा टाइम चल रहा है बाहर वाले को क्यों बुलाती है. मैं बोली कुछ नहीं होगा, एंजल्स आर देयर विथ मी. और सिद्धि ने जो मतलब सभी लोग हीलर्स, बहुत सारे हीलर्स होते हैं जो एंजल थेरेपी का कोर्स कराते हैं, लेकिन जो सिद्धि हमें कनेक्शन कराती है, उसमें जो प्रोसीजर कराती है, रूटीन ग्राउंडिंग, वो बहुत ही सुपर्ब है. आई रियली वुड से कि सबको ये एंजल्स का सीखना ही चाहिए. थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन गिविंग मी चांस.
So I'll extend some more that I'm telling you that so far I've healed so many different COVID patients, and anyone who came and received healings from angels through me so far has only seen development, healthy growth in his or her life. And for which I keep praying to them that anyone who comes here with us just make their lives happier. And one of such incidents was one of my very close friend come client. Her father was infected with COVID, and he was at a very critical stage. The doctors started treating him. 14 days के बाद भी he was not feeling well, and I did a reading for him. And I told her that, you know what, you need to go ahead and take some more reports out. It is not only about COVID right now. He's suffering with something more. And she's like, Sare test ho gaye, there's only one pending. I said, do not keep any stone unturned. Go ahead and take one more report out, even if whatever it is. And in their last report, they had not taken so far, it came that his lungs were filled with water. And because they found it right on time, they could go ahead and treat it. So there are guidances also, messages also that your angels ask you to dig deeper into a condition where even if it's health, even if it's relationship or money, they sometimes guide you to go ahead and work on a new idea when it comes to your monies. Like this COVID time, I did reading for so many other people when it came to promotions of their business, where it came to so many other things, and it has helped them figure their professional lives out and make it more fruitful. So, what more could we ask for? And people who were really at right places and were feeling stuck, this was also the time for them to start unblocking. Their things have unblocked and they are leading a better life right now. Someone's money's got released, someone's relationship got better. What more?
Wow, superb. That was amazing to hear. Great. So, yes, Siddhi, we are going to give an offer to our audience that if they want to learn this amazing art with you, then we are going to offer them that during this webinar, they can get a fantastic price of 2,500, okay, which generally costs somewhere around 7,500, okay, and they are just going to get this for today, just for now, okay. So we are going to flash these details soon on the screen, as well as we are going to put it in the group chat, so that if you want to register, you can register now and get this superb discount, which Siddhi is gracious enough to offer during this webinar, right? And after this, we'll go to a discounted price only for the OTB, which Siddhi has given at 3,500. So this will be valid after the webinar and then for next 5 days, right, Siddhi?
Yeah.
Yeah, great. Thank you so much. So we are just going to flash these details to you, okay? And you can, register and make your payments. I am there, and Mr. Darshan Parmar, he is from my team. He is also there. So you can write to us on your personal chat if you have any questions regarding this, and we would be, so happy to answer that. And I'm just going to put this offer, in a minute, okay, on the screen. Meanwhile, Siddhi, can you tell us a little bit about, what's going to be covered during the course and how it has to be practiced in daily life, so what would be the routine and things?
Okay. So there are two courses that I'm offering. The one that is a clear offer that is given away right now is connective methods with the archangels, learning to work with them, learning to increase your bond with them. Also the basics of candle work. So how to set your prayers, set your altar when you work with your archangel so that your work becomes complete. If you are to go ahead and perform someone else's healing, you can do it. If you're going to go ahead and work with your family members, you can go ahead and do it. So all this is included, and which we were talking about the bigger course, which will, I think I should keep it for the last, or should I just say it? Yeah. So bigger course is also about not only knowing angel miracles, connecting with them. It is also about going ahead and learning reading of oracle cards, checking your past life records, and going ahead and making your candle prayers more worthwhile. It comes with 12 full moon meditations, that every full moon you get to go ahead and connect and build a better connect with your archangels. And all these are also coming up with an attunement with Archangel Metatron that was specially downloaded to me. So yes, and that bigger course in the entire pack is for 7,500. So anyone who's wishing to go ahead and learn to read your cards, that is the package you should go ahead and consider. For everyone else, the smaller connective package works well for you.
So we have put these details in the chat, so if you can look at this longer course. So we have mentioned all the session details which are there, and what is going to be covered. Okay. So this is one thing, and I'm going to flash this offer also. Just a minute.
And in the meantime, okay, no, go ahead and flash. I'll wait. People who wish to ask more questions or share your screenshots, Rita must have already shared a Telegram group link that will work for you.
Are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
So this is the great offer, and thank you, Siddhi, again for being so generous to offer us such an amazing price. So this reservation closes for discounted price on 30th, 39, 2020. That is just 30th of September. This will be 3,500, and for today itself, this is once. Once in a lifetime offer, they say, or once at offer thing, at 2,500. So we are offering this at such a discounted price, right? Okay. Here, you'll get all these angel miracle techniques offer valid for only limited time.
Meantime, what all it will also include is knowing about your numbers that you're seeing. So, for an example, if you were seeing 1111, it means that you're synchronizing with your energies well, and you're likely to manifest things faster. If you saw 222, that means you need to have more faith in life, as to the life is taking its own course and it is leading you to a right direction. You're supposed to have more faith in your life. If it was 333, that means you're protected, and you're also connecting with the energies of Trinity. If it was 444, your angels are around you. If it was 555, big rumbling changes are happening in your life, but eventually it is all going to be settling well, and you will soon know that these are blessings in disguise. If it was 666, there's like, do not worry about your material needs, so those will be provided for. Chart out your life as you've planned and work your way with it. 777 is the number of spirituality. That means that you are going to go ahead and know more about spiritual things. You're going to go ahead and lead a spiritual life in the coming days. 888 is the number of abundance. It says that you're going to get some money coming your way. And number 999 shows an end of a cycle. That means that whatever is happening in your life, or a cycle in your life is about to end, that means new beginnings will come into your life. So all these numbers, we will go ahead, learn in detail about them along with different archangels. Like as I said, Archangel Michael is the protector. He's the one who carries a beautiful sword and a shield, like how you see in this picture, right? So he's the one who cleanses things from your life. He's the one who shields you from anything wrong. So this also includes black magic. This also includes lower vibrations. When it comes to Archangel Raphael, he is a master healer, usually seen in green colored robes and with a very pleasing personality, or a very pleasing face. He's a healer, no matter whether it's a situation, whether it is your monies or physical healing. He helps you instantly, and in a lot of cases, I have invoked his presence for my own health healing. There are constant workshops, there are times when I do feel tired, and all I need to do is just go ahead and call him over. And within 10 minutes rest, I'm back kicking. Everything will happen with within few minutes. In fact, when he's present with you, need not worry. The angel of abundance for me is Archangel Ariel, uh, a lioness, the one who gives you a lot of courage. Um, she's also the angel who connects you with nature and bounty of nature. So when it is about monies, it's very easy for her to go ahead and give it to you. And especially when it is about your plants, when it is about your pets, yes, well, she will take care of them. She will heal them. She's the one who's connected with nature the most. And most of all, two more angels that I absolutely love working with. One is Archangel Samuel. He's the angel of relationships. He's the angel of lost items. Go ahead and try this out. When if there's something that you're not able to find, if there's something that you know what, you kept it safely, but you forgot where it is. Okay, he is going to go ahead and find it for you. And this is an experiment that I'm going to go ahead and tell you about. One of my healer friends, what she did is she took out her ring, put it in a box, put it in the cupboard, and said that Archangel Samuel, I need validation from you. So if you're watching me right now, I'm keeping this ring here. I'm losing this ring on purpose. After a while, she went back and she opened the box. The ring was not there because she wanted a validation. She took another 3 to 4 days time to look out for the ring. She could not find the ring anywhere. And that's when she's like, yes, I believe in you and I know you have it. So please, I've received my validation. So hear me out and help me find my ring. In another few minutes time, the ring was lying next to her. So whenever it is about things that you've lost or you don't know where you've kept, he's definitely going to go ahead, help you find or give you a guidance as to where you need to go ahead and look for. And it's not only her ring. I've found so many pieces of documents or so many jewelry pieces. Whenever I lose, I'm like, Archangel Samuel, please help me. And here is Archangel Metatron for you. He is known as the angel of sacred geometry. That means in our language, I would call it yantras. I would call it things that are beyond our understanding, and comes into the part of sacred geometry to go ahead and help us understand the mysteries of the universe. And not only that, using his cube, he connects us with all different dimensions. So what happened with me is when I was meditating with Archangel Metatron, an entire new dimension opened up. A dragon came and stood next to me and started seeking my attention. I astral traveled, I collected so much more from the dragon and the archangel that I have a completely new modality to myself, that is teaching about how to heal with the dragon spirit. This over a period of 6 months happened. So it not only gave me an ascension in life, it also opened up a completely new dimension or a portal for me to go ahead and connect, seek guidance, and work with them. Uh, Here is, I guess, Manini, are you here? Because you've had experiences of both of them.
Yes, I'm here, Siddhi. I'm here.
Yeah, and she's learned both of them.
Yes, I'm here. Hi.
Pretty
So,
as
yes,
always.
thank you. So yes, I've done the angel workshop as well as the dragon healing workshop with Siddhi, and both of them have been completely amazing. With the dragon, no, with the angel workshop in specific, it's not that one is to learn about them, but what we learned with Siddhi is the actual connection, how you get connected with them, how you can work with them. It's not just information about different angels and that's about it. You get that deeper connect, a deeper understanding. You get to understand the messages that they actually want to give you. Also, when you were mentioning about guidance that they give you, I wanted to add there that they give you guidance that okay, this is your problem, but then they also give you the way to heal the problem. So it's like a complete solution package. मतलब problem भी पता चलता है, blockage भी पता चलता है, and then you go ahead and get rid of that and solve your issues. So I have done angel healings as well as dragon healings with Siddhi, and both of them have been fantastic experiences. In fact, now what we practice is a combination of both, and being a reader myself, I am a tarot reader. So ever since I learned these healing modalities from Siddhi, I get clients who need those healings and who need help in certain things. So it's a beautiful feeling to be able to go out there and help, other people with the things that we've learned. So thank you so much, Siddhi, for both these lovely experiences, both the lovely connections. Thank
Siddhi,
you
I
so much.
I would like to disturb, but Manini, can you please share your mom's experience? Even Siddhi doesn't know about this, that sugar ka. What
Huh.
prayer that was
Yes.
doing for her.
Yes.
Just tell everyone.
So
Let it be a surprise
definitely.
for Siddhi.
Yes. So my mom was detected with high sugar levels and high blood pressure, and Sejal ji does angel prayers, and she guided me also a little bit on how we can go ahead and do them. So we did these prayers and a diya for my mom for not more than a week, I'd say,
Yes,
and
it
there
was.
was such. Yes, it was a week, and there was a major fall in her levels. Like we were at 500s, and now we are down to hundreds almost. So it has been like a miraculous journey for my mom also. And sorry,
ये सिद्धि के लिए भी खुलजा चिंतिंग एक्सपीरियंस आई हैव नॉट हेड इट
Yes,
yes,
they do
yes.
open up roads for you. And the fantastic part to see here is how batchmates connect with each other. My all batchmates have become family, although they are from sometimes different batches. But
Absolutely. And it's like we are so well connected that we can ask each other for whatever guidance we need. We can share whatever we want with each other. It's that kind of a bond. And even with
touch
Siddhi,
wood.
it's never been that teacher student bond. It's always been, like a friend. Like, कल कोई problem होता है, we can easily approach you. It's not that, okay, course खत्म हो गया, बात खत्म. It's never been like that. So thank you so much for that as well.
Thank you for sharing this.
Anytime.
और एक बात मैं करना चाहूंगी
So,
कि सिद्धि भले हमारे साथ फ्रेंड जैसे रहते हैं शी इज लाइक अ गुरु टू मी और मैं तो यही बोलूंगी कि हर जन्म में मुझे गुरु के रूप में सिद्धि मिले
touch wood, thank
Wow,
you.
superb.
ऑल वंस अगेन
But this is something which I have observed about Siddhi, that she they all the trainers who are there want to come and learn these things from Siddhi. तो ये एक बहुत डिफरेंट सी बात है कि जिन एक एक वो लोग हैं जिनको नहीं पता है, और एक वो लोग हैं जो प्रोफेशनली ये काम कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, हीलिंग का काम करते हैं, एंड दे कम एंड लर्न फ्रॉम सिद्धि ऑल दीज मोडालिटीज एंड try to blend it with their own personal things. So that is something, and it's not just about Sejal and about you, Manni, but it's also, I have heard from so many people, even Chitali I was speaking to, she was saying she wanted to learn a lot of things from you. So that is really really amazing, for me to hear and listen to it, that we are able to host you. This is really nice. Thank you so much. Okay, so Siddhi, when are we going to have that amazing meditation session now? So we're like, fingers are crossed for, to
Yes,
get
just
those
two more
goosebumps.
minutes, but I just guess Manini was going to go ahead and speak something. I'll just wait and then do.
Yeah, no, I just wanted to add there that we want to learn new things to add to the existing modalities. We want to relearn what we already know from somewhere else also, again from Siddhi. Because the way she's going to teach what we already know is going to be different. I'm sure of that. So in fact, I've been after her also for a couple of other things कि ये आप दोबारा से मेरे को सिखा दो.
Thank you. Yes, it happens with me that a lot of times when people have already learned about angels from someone else, come and learn it from me simply for the connection that happens through me. And Touchwood, I've been blessed to give it to them through the attunements, through every other technique of mine and tool of mine that I give away in the workshop. So anyway, without further ado, if there are any questions, we'll take them, and if not, we'll end it with the meditation that I was planning to offer today as a giveaway.
Wow. So nobody has any questions. If everything is clear, that's very nice to. Okay. I'll seriously request ki if there is something which you have been going through and you are not able to sort it out, or it is really hurting you. If you don't want to speak in front of everyone, there's no problem. We can actually connect you to Siddhi directly. And if you have something which is a pressing issue, कोई भी ऐसी चीज है जो आप सॉल्व नहीं कर पा रहे हैं और आप बहुत टाइम से उस चीज में अटके हुए हैं, सो प्लीज लेट अस नो if you want to share it now and get a solution, we can get it done. And thank you, Rajiv ji, because you asked that question upfront that there was this issue which was there. So Siddhi, can you I will request ki if there is something. Okay, so we have a question which is coming on, and it says, which angel is for money and prosperity? So it's from some Galaxy M31. I'll request you to just write your name as well. That would be so good of you. Yeah. So for money and prosperity, angel.
As I said a few minutes before, it's Archangel Ariel, who has connected, who is very connected with nature and bounty of this planet. It's very easy for her to go ahead and give you the financial abundance. So that's why Archangel Ariel. For relationships, it is Archangel Chamuel. He's the one who exudes the unconditional love, forgiveness side of the God. And there are times where people have lost item, lost love in a relationship, lost respect or forgiveness in a relationship, and called out to him. And he has gone ahead and helped each one of them. So for their highest good, that too. Yeah.
So there is another question from Lakshmi ji to everybody, that my sister's son is so aggressive. Can it be helped? And so Lakshmi ji, how old is your sister's son?
He is 19 years old.
19 years. Yeah.
Every day, sorry. So every day, what you can go ahead and do is you can ask Archangel Chamuel, as I was just saying, that he is full of unconditional love energies. So what you can do is every day in the morning, pray to him, that surround that particular kid, that guy, with your energies, and see
Samuel.
the flow.
Samuel say.
Yes.
Okay. Thanks.
Can I ask a question?
Yeah, please, sir.
I'm in Delhi, and from approximately from last 15 to 16 years, I am suffering
You're
from.
not audible for me.
Is it fine now? Is it okay now?
Yes, so I can repeat his question. I think he is speaking from his mobile phone. So he's
Okay.
from Delhi, and from last 15 to 16 years, he is suffering from Rajuji, आगे बोलें, please can you continue?
Suffering from financial related issues, and मेरा अगर मैं हॉरोस्कोप अगर किसी को शो करता हूँ, उसके अंदर सब कुछ ठीक है. एवरीबडी इज टेलिंग मी कि आपका तो बहुत अच्छा योग चल रहा है, आपके तो बहुत अच्छे वो है, और बहुत कुछ मैंने आई डू रेकी ऑल्सो, और बहुत कुछ मैंने सीखा, बहुत कुछ ट्राई किया, मेडिटेशन एंड सो मेनी थिंग्स आई हैव ट्राइड, बट इट नेवर वर्क फॉर मी पर्टिकुलरली in terms of finance. Right now also I'm into so much of debt, so much of बहुत सारा कर्जा है मेरे ऊपर, बहुत सारा लोन है मेरे ऊपर, and I'm not even right now I don't have even 100 rupees in my pocket right now. So I'm suffering from all this. Is it related with this also, or is it something different?
Okay, so forget about how it came for a minute. We'll come to that a little later. But what I'm saying that when we go ahead and perform certain things, we are working at a certain power level. And when we go and surrender it to angels, we are surrendering it to a smarter power, a higher power, a more capable power. So what I would like you to go ahead and try out is either take your bank passbook or you go ahead and take your wallet between both your hands and every day just call out to Archangel Ariel, please fill my wallet, or you can say double up my finances, you can say give me financial abundance. So 21 times just say, Archangel Ariel, help me double up my finances, or give me a breakthrough in my finances. Go ahead, try this out and see how fantastic results you're going to get out of it.
Okay, sure, I try.
Usha ji
Hello?
is, I think, raising
Hello?
a finger. Yeah.
हाँ हाँ मैम, मुझे एक पूछना था कि अगर आप अट्यूनमेंट दे देते हो और अगर हम लोगों को बाद में भी लाइफ टाइम अगर उनसे जुड़ना है तो फिर हम लोगों को डेली मेडिटेशन करना जरूरी है एंजल्स का?
तो जब आप अट्यूनमेंट लेते हो ना, उसके बाद आपको सिर्फ एक वीक मेडिटेट करना जरूरी है या तो कनेक्ट करना जरूरी है, विच इज लाइक अ 5 minutes प्रोसेस. Then you don't need lifetime of connection if you can't. If you can, it is going to make things more and more beautiful for you. But if you can't, you can limit yourself as well. जैसे कि weekly कर लिया, जैसे कि it's full moon, so I'll do it. Full moon तो anyway for a year who are taking a bigger course, I'm only doing it for them and I'm providing them with more energies. But otherwise जैसे कि full moon के दिन आपने meditate कर लिया, new moon के दिन आपने meditate कर लिया, it's more than okay.
Okay, thank you ma'am.
There is one more question from Vikas Verma ji saying he has certain issues with relationship and whom he should invoke to be released from abusive/negative relationship.
Oh, once again, it is Archangel Samuel. So when you need more forgiveness in relationship, when you need more peace, more harmony, more unconditional love in relationship, whether we think it's our fault, whether we think it's someone else's fault, we are not going to get into faults. So it's not about faults. It's about improving energies of both people involved in it or an entire family involved in it. And it is about raising everyone's vibrations. Yes, so that's how it is working out. So for people who are asking about the bigger course, it is for 7,500. For people who are asking how it will be conducted, it is going to be conducted on Zoom and it is going to be a live class.
And dates, please.
It will start in a week. It is going to be happening on Wednesdays and Fridays. It will start on 30th of September.
30th of September. Okay, perfect. And we have this offer for only this particular course, 30th of September. Right? Yeah. Okay, thank you so much. Okay. So again for relationship, Archangel Samuel, Kavita ji, whom to invoke to be released from dominating relationship. Am I right? Oh, good.
Yes,
I started learning something today. Great.
nice. I would like it if people have a takeaway from this.
Yeah, thank you so much for giving all these things. Okay, so now it's already at the fag end of the thing. We should actually start with the meditation. What do you say, Siti? What is the good time to start? It's 6:14.
Yes, why not?
Ah,
Everyone,
okay.
please sip some water. And please make a note of the Telegram group if you have more questions to ask. Rita has already shared the Telegram group link with all of you, where I'll be available for a day and even more to go ahead and answer And if Rita's here, I would request her to go ahead and share the link again. So, yes, everyone please close your eyes. Hands in receiving position. Take 3 deep breaths. And start relaxing your body and your mind more and more. Straighten up your back a little, your neck, not stretching, not straining. Keep it simply straight. Go ahead, take a few deep breaths. As you start, relax your ankles, your feet. Relax your knees, your thighs. Relax your hip joints, your spine, your lower abdomen, your upper abdomen. Relax. Your chest, your shoulders, your upper arms, lower arms. Relax your throat, your neck. Relax your eyes, your eyebrows, your cheeks, your jaws, your lips. Relax your entire being. As I call upon Archangel Michael, Archangel Metatron, Archangel Raphael, Archangel Samuel, and Archangel Ariel to come and help us, heal us, guide us. In your mind, go ahead and talk about one area of your life that needs healing. And allow the angels to come and stand next to you as they listen to your concerns. They will observe every expression of yours. They will listen with full intent and interest. As this is done, allow them to send their blessings, their powers coming to you through your crown chakra, that is the top of your head. Let it clear out the crown and enter your third eye. Let these energies start traveling down. As all your negative thoughts, your anxieties, your worries are getting wiped out. Any psychic attacks, any black magic, they will wipe it clean. As the light will go further down to your throat chakra, releasing your negative emotions and boosting your confidence. All your nerves, all your bones between all your chakras will be cleansed and healed today. As this light will travel down from your throat to your heart chakra, also to your shoulders, both your hands, both your palms. Let it take away all your pain, all your unforgiveness, and fill you up with new joy, new life. Let it uplift your mood, and let it make you experience a completely new bliss in your life. Let this light further travel down to your solar plexus chakra, as it takes away and clears away all your negative emotions completely. It gives you a boost in your immunity. It gives you new energies, more vital energies, and then goes further traveling down to your sacral chakra, balancing the water element, opening you up to newer ideas, creativity, soothing flow, raise vibrations, guarding you and nurturing you. As it further goes down to your root chakra, to provide you more strength, more power, and boost you up completely. Let this light further go down to both your legs, your thighs, your knees, nurturing all of them, your calves, your ankles, your feet, and through your feet into the earth. And let them clear out everything else in your aura as well. All your relationship blocks, all your financial blocks, all other blocks in your life are getting eliminated as they are working on it right now. Let them create a beautiful protective shield as all the negative and lower vibrations from your aura are getting released, removed. They will also cut all your negative cords and replace them with positive, beautiful cords with your family members, with your friends. And they will start creating a very beautiful globe-like shield all around you, made with their beautiful violet colored energies. Let the shield be created, and this is the time for you to ask for your guidance if there is any. The guidance will come to you like a number or a message, maybe a sound. It could be anything or a picture. Receive it well. And even if you don't receive anything, it is absolutely fine. It's time to go ahead and thank them for their presence today with us. It's time to go ahead and thank them for this beautiful healing that passed down to us today. Say thank you thrice in your mind. Take 3 deep breaths and come back to the present moment. When you come back to your present moment, slowly open your eyes and drink some water. And whenever you're back, you can slowly open your eyes, drink some water, and share your experiences with me. Hi Ujali, I said the angel for money is Archangel Ariel. Lakshmi, if you're feeling heaviness in your body, you need to go ahead and drink some more water. The tickling may be the angel's presence. If you felt sleepy, go ahead, relax for a few more minutes. So people who are open to go ahead and experience more of these, go ahead, join the Telegram group. There are activities that are planned that will happen on ongoing basis, and you will be a part of all these beautiful journeys that we make together. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Siddhi. And before moving to the next part of thanking everybody, we want to declare that we have another session, and now this is a special session with Siddhi. This is how we can create magic with herbs. So using the commonly found herbs which we have in our kitchen, we can create a lot of things. So if in our times, our moms used to take out nazar using these long and elaichi, long and kali mirch and stuff, right? So just giving you an example about this, or having cinnamon sticks in your wallet. So similarly, we are going to learn a lot of stuff, how we can create magic in our regular life and solve a lot of problems which are there using these commonly found herbs which are there in our kitchen, right? And this would be on this Saturday, and we will again share you. So since you all have registered and we have your details, we'll share you the course, joining link
webinar
and everything,
details.
the webinar details, yes, and everything would be there. So thank you so much, and yes, Siddhi. So final
No,
words.
that was it. The last note from my side. I hope these blessings stay with you always, and may you always flourish. So thank you so very much for being a part of this beautiful journey with me.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for being with us. And we hope to see you soon again on next exciting webinar, which we have, Magic with Herbs, on this Saturday. Thank you.
Thank you.